What if we just received a message from something not human? Scientists are tracking a signal that shouldn't exist. And it's not the first time we've heard something like this. NASA is taking it seriously. So is the SETI Institute. The question is, are we alone? Or have we been ignoring the signs? Tonight we break down the latest alien signal mystery. At first it looked like noise, but then we saw the pattern. Random signals don't repeat like this. It's coming from deep space, far beyond our solar system. It's narrow band, focused structured. And that's when scientists lean closer. Because signals like this don't just happen. So the question is, who sent it? After weeks of tracking, scientists finally narrowed down its origin. Precise coordinates locked in. It's thousands of light years from Earth. Captured by one of the most powerful radio telescopes on the planet. Within minutes, the data started flooding in. Then came the spike. Too clean to be natural. It didn't match a pulsar. Not a satellite either. One by one Earth-based interference was eliminated. And then they noticed something else. It repeated. Repetition suggests intention. And that's when the room went quiet. Because if this wasn't natural, then someone, I'm out there, might be calling. That's when the first hypothesis entered the room. What if the source is artificial? Technology implies intelligence. For decades, scientists used the Drake equation to estimate alien civilizations. Billions of stars, billions of worlds. Some in the perfect zone for life. But what if one of them evolved faster than us? Millions of years ahead. Maybe this signal is a beacon. Or maybe it's a test. If the universe is full of life, where is everybody? For decades, space has been silent. Until now. Some theorize it could be a probe. Listening to us. We've been broadcasting for over a century. If someone was listening, they heard it. And now they respond. But contacting them could be dangerous. If this is real, Humanity faces its biggest decision ever. Then it leaked. Within hours, the story went global. Social media exploded. Markets reacted. Governments called emergency briefings. The United Nations held a closed-door session. Religious leaders urged calm. Some felt fear. Others felt hope. Some experts warned of potential threats. The dark forest theory suggests we should stay silent. In a dangerous universe, advanced civilizations might eliminate competition. But others believe intelligent life seeks connection. Sharing knowledge across the stars. Contact could accelerate our technology. Unlimited clean energy. Medical breakthroughs beyond imagination. But at what cost? The debate intensified. Military systems began monitoring the skies. Scientists urged patience. SETI continued independent verification. Then the signal returned stronger, clearer than before. This was no longer just noise. A second observatory confirmed the same signal. The match rate was nearly identical. Satellites ruled out. Aircraft ruled out. Natural interference ruled out. The probability of it being random dropped close to zero. Behind closed doors, the discussion changed. The word no one wanted to say out loud was artificial. Monitoring systems around the world went on alert. The United Nations called for global unity. World leaders urged calm. Should we respond or stay silent? Some warned of catastrophic risk. Others saw the greatest opportunity in human history. SETI recommended cautious observation. Then the signal grew stronger. And this time, it carried structure. Prime numbers, a universal language. That's when some scientists believed intent was confirmed. The world was watching. A decision had to be made. Respond. Or wait. A vote was taken. This was no longer a national decision. For the first time, humanity stood united. And then, we answered. The transmission was sent, carrying humanity's voice into the void. We sent mathematics, our DNA, our location. A decision that can't be undone. Then came the waiting. Hours passed. Then days. Nothing. Doubt began to creep in. Did we misinterpret the signal? Anxiety spread worldwide. Markets slowly stabilized. Life went on. But then, a flicker appeared. Then another, perfectly timed. Multiple observatories confirmed it. Stronger than before. And this time, it was different. It wasn't just a signal. It was a response. Prime numbers, repeated back to us. They understood. The world froze. And now the bigger question isn't if we're alone, it's what happens next. Decoding began immediately. The signal wasn't simple. There was something hidden within it. A universal language. But it went beyond math. Was it a map? Coordinates were embedded. Pointing to a specific star system. An invitation, or a warning. The world fell silent. For the first time, we weren't alone in the dark. Defense analysts urged caution. Scientists felt awe. Philosophers questioned everything. We asked if anyone was out there. And they answered. Across unimaginable distance. Across years of travel time. Meaning they expected us. Have we been watched all along? This could mark the beginning of a new era. Or the beginning of something else. Because moments later, another signal arrived. And this one was different. What did we just awaken?